Hey everybody, it's Jared Chamberlain. We are back with another live video today, and we want to talk about the 10 hottest communities that you can buy in Calgary right now in August 2020. Let's get started here. All right, we are here live in Calgary, Alberta, in our Chamberlain Real Estate Group studios, and we are talking today about the 10 hottest communities that you can buy in Calgary for August 2020. How we come up with these numbers is based on absorption rate and months of inventory. So as you can see on the screen here, this is a map. This is on our site, chamberlaingroup.ca/Calgary Real Estate Market with dashes in the middle there. You can go over to the months of inventory on that map. And what we're looking at is, you can see at the bottom of my screen there, this is the number of basically how many months it takes to sell the current home at the current rate of sales that are happening right now. And we're looking at some of the slowest, the longest, the highest months of inventory in the city. So if you're a buyer and you're considering buying right now, in Calgary, there are some great opportunities, and some of these communities are going to be the ones that have the longest, sometimes days on market, sometimes greatest opportunities, those kind of things. So let's get at it. We are live, so if you have comments, questions, thoughts about the market, things you want to throw in here, we can see it, so I can see that you're watching, so it's great. So hello, but let's say hi and let's get started. So number 10. Are you ready for this? Let's be honest. I actually told my daughter I was going to do this. Let's do this. Number 10. Here we go. The 10 hottest communities. I don't know if I'll ever do that again, but let's try it. We'll see. We'll see. All right. Number 10 is East Village. So those of you that know where East Village is downtown. This is where all condos are. And currently, I'm going to pull up my map here. They're sitting at 11.7 months of inventory. So East Village condos, it's pretty much condos there. They're sitting at about 11.7 months worth of inventory right now. So what that means, I'll explain on this one, not the rest. What that means is it takes 11.7 months to sell one place at the current rate of how many places are selling per month. So if I didn't explain that well, throw in a comment. I'll try better next time. So number 9, we're looking at Ross Carrick. So Ross Carrick is, I don't have the map up, but Ross Carrick is a community kind of on the west side over by Crowchild there. Great community, actually. Lots of established homes. Fantastic location. Number 8, Diamond Cove. Now, who knows where Diamond Cove is? Does anyone know where Diamond Cove is? I want to see a comment. Let's see some comments here. If you know where Diamond Cove is, throw it in the comments below. Don't cheat. Don't look on a map. But Diamond Cove is kind of a small little community. I'm not going to say where it is, but put it in the comments. Number 7 is Beltline. Now, this is not a small community. This is massive. This is basically like half a downtown kind of thing. So again, another condo community, downtown condos. Beltline is sitting at 12.8 months of inventory. I'll back up. Diamond Cove is at 12 and Ross Carrick is also at 12. So a full year worth of inventory sitting there based on the current number of sales that are happening per month. And number 6, we have Kingsland. So Kingsland is down right close to Chinook Mall. So it's kind of right in that pocket. Again, established, a mix of infills and older homes, that kind of thing. And Kingsland is sitting at 13.2 months of inventory. Number 5, we have Bel Air. So I'm going to go back to the map because if you watched our last video, I don't know if you'll be able to see my... Oh, yeah, you can. So I don't know if you look at the last video, but Mayfair right here is a community, high-end community, luxury community, like also right close to Chinook Center. They have a 1.5 month of inventory. They're complete opposite. And then Bel Air is a lot smaller, but they also have they have a 13.5 months worth of inventory. So you kind of have this whole opposite thing going on, and they're right side by side, which is kind of crazy. So that is at number 5, and they're sitting at 13.5 months of inventory. And number 4, we got Sunnyside. Sunnyside is another downtown inner city. And when you look at that map, there's a lot of kind of red in the center of the city. And a lot of that is multifamily type property. So condos are not doing the greatest. So if you're looking for a condo and you're planning on living there for a very long time, it could be a great market for that. Number 3, Christy Park. I was actually a little bit surprised by this one. They currently, as a whole, have 14 months worth of inventory. Christy Park is an established, like really nice area up on the west side. If you kind of head up like Bow Trail and it's up that way. Great community. We actually just listed and sold quite quickly, actually, a property 2 months ago for a fantastic family. Who actually they're going to move to Kelowna and here, and they're doing lots of fun things. Really cool family. So, but great area. If you're looking for a family home on the west side, I would check out Christy Park. Number 2 is Wildwood. Wildwood is also another established, fantastic, again, on the west side. So there's kind of this trend. If you look at the map again, so you can kind of see where all the red is in the middle, and it kind of goes up the west. There are some places when you go up north. So let's see here. So, I mean, you've got Varsity, which is at 8 months, Brentwood at 10 months. But overall, I mean, a lot of these top places to look at right now, they are kind of inner city on the west side. And number 3, we already did. Wait, I got to catch up to myself here. We did Wildwood. There we go. Now, number 1. I actually really like this community, and it is if you're looking for an inner city community that can still have some backyards, detached homes, honestly, like the amount of home that you can get in this area compared to stuff right across Crowchild Trail, there's your next hint. There's some great places in here, homes in here, and it's Curry Barracks. So if you haven't been in there lately, they're doing a lot of building. It is a higher price point, a higher average price point for sure. Sometimes you see on the low end, you kind of see some 2,800 square foot homes for, let's call it 9-ish, 850. But they're doing a lot of new builds for 1.5 up to probably 2 million. But when you compare what you get to, let's say, Altador or other little pockets that are right around there, there's some actually pretty fantastic opportunities in there, and they're just going to keep building. The Curry Barracks plan that they're going to do over, I don't know how long it is, but it's some really interesting stuff. So there you have it. These are the 10 hottest communities to buy in currently right now for August 2020. There's your top 10 list. So if you have questions, you have thoughts, you have concerns, you have issues, you have whatever, reach out, direct message us. And as always, we are here to help answer questions, help you figure things out. And if you have questions about other communities, maybe in Airdrie or Cochrane or Chestermere or Okotoks, any of those types of areas as well, and you're wondering what is the months of inventory, just send us a message through Facebook, Instagram, reach out to info@chamberlaingroup.ca. Just reach out to us. We will help you figure that out. So there you go. There's your 10 hottest communities to buy in for August 2020. And on that note, I'm out. We'll see you guys later.